Hello and welcome back to another video. Ooh, this is more what UXW Bill would be doing. I'm kind of pissed at the moment, and there's a couple good reasons for that. Number one, I was never told you're supposed to clean. I was never told that A, dishwashers have filters, and B, or two, you need to clean them. Why was I never told this? That would have been really fucking handy to know. Second of all, giant mess on the floor. How fun. Oh, God. It's fucking up the new wood. Shit. Third off, any landlords in the audience? Do us all a favor and, jump off a fucking cliff, please. God, I hate landlords so much. I forgot to mention some stuff. Well, given that is the kettle, actually. Given, well, our, slumlord, special, God knows whatever the hell else is going on in here. And this still seems to be shit in there. So if that is a thing that's happening, I don't, yeah. I'm gonna be doing regularly from now on. Yeah. It seems like stuff's like slipping through the filter. I don't know. Really annoying.